Hi everyone. Today we are going to register some devices and re-sign as part of distributing a new release by manually uploading an IPA. This IPA can be from anything. It can be a React Native app, a Xamarin app, a Swift app, Objective-C app, you name it. As long as we have a valid IPA that's signed with an ad-hoc provision profile, it will work. So let's get to it. We have here in App Center, as you can see, we have our distribution group called testers. Then we click on distribute new release. I'll tap in and find my newly created IPA file. This will just quickly test it. And then it will say it's a distribution, it's 004, and it's all good, it all looks good. So we say it's a new release and it's the best. There we go, right? Then we know it's really good. So then we say next, then we can see, this is what we don't want. This essentially means that some of the testers of these two guys here, they will not be able to install what we have now because I signed it with a provision profile that didn't include all devices, or maybe didn't know of these devices. So we can help that. We say register devices here, and then it asks us to add our Apple developer account. And then we just find my password for it. There we go. We copy it. Then we add it. And then we also need a certificate. So we drag one here. We want this. We want the one that matches my app in this case, called Smash Up. And it's checking it. And then you can see it needs a password. Let's give it that. We can see it's checking here. It works. Then we say done. We do not want to save that to 1Password. And we have everything here. We have our developer account and our certificate. So we need the developer account to register these devices here. And this is also where we get this information that we know there's 85 iPhones available on this account and 99 iPads. You normally have 100 of each device type when you buy a new account. And the certificate, we need that for re-signing the app. So if we only registered devices, it wouldn't be enough. But when we register the devices, download the devices in a provision profile, have the certificate, we can re-sign and do that before releasing so everyone can install it. So by now we should be able to just click next and then say distribute. And then we can see release smash up 0041 is being distributed. So let's see here. We can see we registered the devices. So that's all good. It's updated the provision profile. This is all in Apple developer account. And now we started up using our Mac cloud. I can, while I wait here, if I want to use the updated provision profile, a provision profile that contains the newest devices, I can download it, and you can see it comes here in a zip file in case I have several. It can be, I can have several app provision profiles if I use app extensions. So it's re-signed and distributed, and I get a little notification down by me here that it was released. So that's great. That's really great. The big difference here is that we have added the Apple ID and the certificate now. So if I go here to my other group, collaborators, where we say in devices, we can see, the last time the 004, Andy has come late to the party. So he's unprovisioned. He's actually not able to install it. So if we help him, we can say there's one unprovisioned device. We can say register, and then we can use. So you can see my Apple ID I just added in the other flow. I can use it here, and then I say, but that's not enough. I don't just want to register Andy's device. I also want to re-sign my app so he can actually install it. So I just click re-sign. It says iPhone distribution. So it's my certificate. And if I click register, we will see something very familiar. We will see we sent Andy's device to Apple developer account. We update the provision profile. And now we started our Mac cloud again. So in a second, we should be able to see that everything is working. This is a good time to hydrate. Summer is coming, remember. There we go. Re-sign app and upload new release. So now Andy can also install it and enjoy my Smash Up app. that was all for now. I hope you get to use it. I like the feature. It's a good improvement that you don't have to type in your username and password each time, and you don't have to upload your certificate each time. Now it stays in App Center. The one of the other positive things about having it in App Center is that it's available on your user ID. So I would be able to take this user, like my Apple ID, to other apps as well. So if I have another app, like I'm releasing another iOS app, I would be able to also use it there. That should be it. Thanks for watching.